Okay, so today we're going to be talking about property condition. That's right. If you're buying a house, what you need to keep an eye out for when it comes to property condition. Now, whether you're conventional, FHA, VA, or jumbo, there are some consistent themes that you need to be aware of. Often what I'll hear from people, I'll hear, well, it needs a lot of work, but I can do it myself, so I'm totally fine with the condition. And it's like, well, that's great that you're okay with the condition, but based on what the lender's seen, we're not. Okay. Now it's important that you guys know when you get pre-approved with a lender, you're generally getting pre-approved for your basic conventional VA, FHA, or jumbo loan. There's other loans for properties that need work. Those are called renovation loans. And yes, they have them in VA, FHA, conventional, and jumbo as well. They are a totally different ballgame. So one of the biggest mistakes people make is they go, well, I'm pre-approved for 300. So like if I buy a house that's 280 and it needs 20K, like that's fine, right? Maybe, maybe not. You've got to talk to the lender that does the renovation loans because often the interest rates on the renovation loans are much higher than if it's not a renovation loan. Also, there's rules to it. So sometimes people will go, well, I'm going to do all the work myself. No, you're not. Not with a renovation loan. With a renovation loan, you need a contractor involved. You need to bid out every single item. It's not like they just give you a check for $20,000 and you can spend it any way you want. Everything that's going to be treated in that house to bring it to average or better condition has to be handled as part of that loan. Okay, so really important. First thing out the gate, that's what we're leading with is, look, there are normal loans and there are renovation loans. If you're looking at houses that need a lot of work, you're going to want to start here. Okay, if everything you're looking at says needs TLC, contractor's delight with a little love, that is code for you need to gut this. So just start over here. Okay, now if you're like, well, Jen, it's not that bad. It's just really dated. Okay. As a lender, do I care if it's dated? No. The key thing with property condition, regardless of the loan type, is that if I'm not doing a renovation loan, the house has to be in average or better condition. So let's go through a couple examples. So is it normal for the carpets to be a little dirty? Sure. Is it normal for the carpets to be torn and have pit bull blood on them? No. Is it normal for there to be a huge stain the size of a body? No. I've seen that, guys. It's creepy. No, that's not normal. That's not average. So in a situation, like we've had situations where certain rooms have had to have carpet replaced prior to close, and it's because the carpet is in a below average condition. So dirty, fine. Can a carpet cleaner make it look decent? Sure. Really like torn stuff, problem. Sometimes what you'll see with houses is you'll see a house where maybe they started remodeling and they didn't have enough money to fix it. So you'll see like a room where there's just the subfloor. Can you do a normal loan with that? No, the floor is going to have to go in prior to close. Now look, does that mean you have to do a renovation loan? No, if the seller's willing to put flooring down or you're going to put down the flooring prior to close, I don't care. As long as there's a floor so that it's average or better condition, we're good. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. The kitchen is a 1930s classic. It's, you know, the stove works, but it's a relic. The cabinets are really old, but they're fine. They're just really old. I don't care. And look, when I say I don't care, I don't want you guys to think this is Jennifer's personal feelings. I'm just saying, as a lender, do we care? No, we're fine with that. If, however, let's say the house was built 5 years ago, but they've ripped cabinets out of the wall and there's exposed wiring and there should be a stove there and there's no stove. That's below average condition. It's not average to have a kitchen where the stove's been stolen and the cabinets are ripped off the edges, right? Not normal. So really when you're going through houses, you want to go, is this normal? Average or better? Right? Is it normal to have some dirt and wear and tear? Yeah, that's totally normal. Is it normal for a house to be super dated, shag carpet, pink walls, pink tiles? Yeah, that's normal. Okay. Is it normal to have a bathroom where the toilet's missing? No, that's not normal. Okay. So really keep your guys' eyes open to this, because sometimes even real estate agents don't know this. They'll go, well, it's conventional. They don't care. Yeah, they do, guys. It doesn't matter the loan type. The house has to be in average or better condition. If you have a house and the siding on the entire back of the house is falling off, I don't care what type of loan it is, it's not going to work. The only way you can deal with that house with horrible siding that's coming off the walls on the back of the house is a renovation loan. Okay. So look, if you guys are working with us, always, if you're like, I don't know, Jen, I love looking at pictures. You guys know this. If you've talked to me, you know it's my favorite part is looking at the houses. I'm always happy to look at it, give you an opinion. Ultimately, if the appraiser calls something out, it's on the appraiser. You know, there's been times where I'm like, oh my God, they should call out this and they don't. Or I'm like, everything's fine, and then they call something out. So it can be a little bit of a moving target, but as someone who's done this for a very long time, I can generally pretty easily look at pictures and be like, problem, not problem, problem, not problem. So I just wanted to do a quick video about property condition, because a lot of times people assume that it doesn't matter. They go, oh, I'm putting down 60%. We're still putting down 40%. So it's got to be average or better condition for all loan types, unless you go to renovation land. If you guys are thinking you need to go to renovation land, reach out. I'll introduce you to Christine, who's our renovation expert. She's amazing. She's one of the top renovation lenders in the country, and she can walk you through everything. And just so you guys know, she's even blunter than me. So as always, licensed in 48 states and happy to help you guys with your mortgage needs. Thanks for watching.